front of me is OPPO Reno11 F, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, select Autofill, misclick, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now to check any of those passwords, click on the chosen one and enter your current login method. Then click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!